What is going on, world? Stocks in the Street back with another episode. Today, I am going to talk a little bit about what I mentioned yesterday. I've got videos, I'm posting them back to back, which is very unusual for me. But I know yesterday I gave another reference to my 90-10 approach to investing. Now, currently with the holdings or the stake that I have through the Robinhood app, currently I'm at a 43.71% holding of S&P 500. And my goal is to get that number, that 43.71% up to 90%. So what I ended up doing yesterday, I placed a limit sale and I got rid of the shares that I had of Square. If you recall, yesterday in my portfolio, I had 50 shares of Square. So I went ahead, got that taken care of, and I'm going to use those funds actually and dump it right back into the S&P 500, which is going to increase my current holdings. So let's go ahead and pull up the Vanguard S&P 500. Is this the only one on Robinhood? Absolutely not. There's IVV, there's SPY. There's quite a few different options. You could even do an inverse, but that's a whole nother conversation. So I'll put that in the current price as a limit amount. I want it to end today because I don't want that to execute. So right now I've got like $2,259.39, which should allow me to get 8 shares on this specific stock. So, or ETF, I guess. And then now if we look, I've increased my portfolio value to 52.45%. So essentially what I'll do, I'll continue adding into my my Robinhood account until I get to a point where the percentage of my portfolio that is in the S&P 500 ETF or this specific one is 90%. And then I'm not going to reduce my other holdings. My goal will be to just continue making the occasional purchase. I get to the point where these holdings respectively are smaller. But anyways, I'll make this video somewhat short. Here's my video. Keep tuned. I'll kind of let you know where I'm headed. Overall, if you want to see, here's what's happened in the last week for me. Not been a bad week. Last month. And then, well, this is 2018. So we'll run from there. If I look over a 3-month period, there's been some ups, some downs. But when it's all said and done with, patience is key. I mean, that's the name of the game when it comes to investing. You can get into day trading and swing trading and things like that. But every single time in the long haul, they end up losing out. By the time you factor in brokerage fees and just other miscellaneous stuff and short-term capital gains, and I'm in it for the long haul. You know, I'm not looking to be an expert in the market. I'm just looking to get to a position where I'm outpacing inflation and making a little bit of return on my money. Anyway, stay tuned. Stocks in the Streets. We'll have more videos coming your way.